Okay, so today we are going to learn about line function, linear function. Okay, how can we use GDC to plot a linear function? Okay, so for example, I will start with a function. Please write the heading, linear function. Plotting linear function by using GDC. Okay, please write. And for example, x function c equal to 65t plus 30. This is a function. Okay, for this function in your GDC, always we will use, instead of any of the LHS of the equation, we will use the function y. Okay, and t will be replaced with a function in the calculator xtq. Just press that one, and this one will be your y equal to, okay, in the calculator. So on your GDC, we have an option stat. Okay, in the stat you have to press, there is a y equal to function. Okay, and you need to plug in the equation in this. Okay, in this y. Okay, so instead of t, you need to press the command xeq. Okay, then only you can plot the graph. Okay, so y equal to this one. Okay, and most of the time in the exam they will give you the x-axis limit. Okay, on the x-axis y will be your c value. Okay, whatever is on your LHS will be your y-axis. Whatever on your x-axis is the letter on your function t. Okay, and look at the diagram. Whatever the values are given in the graph, please write 100. Consider the limit. Okay, so after this stat y equal to the function you need to copy in your GDC. Then there is a window option. There is an option window in your calculator. Okay, in the calculator you can see that option. In that you have to adjust your x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum. These all option you is editable. Okay, so you need to adjust the x minimum from where? 0. If in your question paper the graph is 0 to 6, you need to write 0 to 6. Understand? And your y, c value you need to adjust from where? 0 to 400. So 0 to 400. Okay. Then at the end you have to press graph. There is an icon graph. You need to press, you will get the graph. Okay. Then according to the question you need to answer everything. Is it clear? Okay. So can you draw the graph in your calculator? Please take your calculator. Umar, take your calculator. Y equal to. So and start. Start doing. Please all of them. We all will start together. So in the calculator you can see y equal to, okay, sorry, on y equal to, there is a graph already given. You need to replace that graph with the 65 xtq. So there is x, so 65 x and plus 30. Okay, do then after that you need to press 1 minute window x minimum is 0 to maximum 3. So press 3. And your y minimum 0 to 400. Am I right? Then after that, press the option graph. So your graph will be like this. Okay. So if you trace, you can see the points in blue. So according to the question, we can answer. Is it clear? Okay. It will be like this.
Teacher, it feels like it's too zoomed in. You didn't write the Y.
Zoom? We don't want to do now.
Mine is like really close.
Which one really close? Let me see. Straight line, right?
It's like
Yeah. Square. Yeah. Should be a straight line because it is linear function, right? Not like
why
sine.
is it zoomed in?
Zoom, if you want, you have to adjust your. You need to like put negative. Okay. And here also. Okay. So our question, what are the things you have to find, right? Next one, after drawing the graph, after done with the drawing, you have to find C value at t equal to 6. Calculate the gym membership. So the first question, calculate the gym membership C over 6 month duration, over a 6 month duration. Can you do this one? How can you do? Hannah, can you try? We have to find the gym membership cost, C value. They give you over a 6 month duration. How can you find it? So this is our equation, okay? 6 month duration they give on. We want to find C, right? So what value they give on? 6 means for what? It is T value. So you need to plug in T. Or you have your graph already, right? So when T value 6, you need to adjust your variables for T equal to X, you will get exactly the value of Y value. 420? Please adjust the value here. You need to adjust like 6 because our X value is 6.
How much? You're backward. Don't talk to me like that.
So
Imagine being backward.
once it's reached 6, you need to stop for zooming. 420?
Actually, like right on here.
So you will get the value 420.
Yeah.
Okay? Got it?
Oh no. I learned.
Got it like this? Everyone got it?
ประกาศโค่นน้อง
You need to move. X equal to 6, right? Move until X equal to 6. So the Y value, C value become 420. Please write 420. Okay?
โอ้my
เอา
god.
อย่างนั้นเอาเลขใส่ไปเลย
พูดที่เปลี่ยนมากเลยนะ
Good luck, bro.
ต้องไปดูสมุด
เราต้องใส่ไอ้คอมแบทต้อง
You need
คอม
to
แบทไอ้เกือบผ่านได้
get it out.
ให้เอา
See, it's bad.
What is that?
I changed that. Creation just a 6 because they said 6.
If you're done, you can do the next question. Find. No. Wait, because wind up now. Okay, next question. Please write the next question. Find the C value when t equals 2.14 months. So you need to round it, okay? Yeah, calculator. It's all Excel calculator. Also C.
Is this gonna be in the quiz?
I don't think so.
I don't think so, easy.
Sure, you're teaching us something that will be.
The one there will be more critical thinking question.
More?
It's hard to get 2.14.
Oh my god.
And another equation.
I got 428, still 428.
It's still 428.
No, 428.
What would it?
I don't know.
At x equal to, what is the t value? 2.14.
Yeah, I got 2.36. Why?
168.
That is
Oh,
your-
I got to fix it.
So it's
No,
wrong.
it's not too
Do I get it? Yes, you are correct. 2.14, right? What is the y value?
168.
167. Yeah, 167.8. Yeah. So you can round it. 169. 168, right?
No, it's
2.12. 14. Can you make it 14?
Check 136 and I got 168.8.
It is in between 167.
Mine-
Yeah, this one correct. Yes, it's approximately 169.
It's 169.1.
Yeah, 169.
Point one.
Point one.
Sure, how many digits were?
Maybe you didn't zoom well, that's why. So you need to adjust toward this one.
What now?
290. Why maximum? Why you need to like
It was like this.
0 to 500 or 400. Just trace and just round it. Okay. The next one. Find the value of t when cost value becomes when the cost is c equal to 320. Can you find t value? So what is the difference for now?
We have to use log.
No need. We have the graph.
Oh.
Okay. So easy. You need to adjust. Now which one you need to change? Y value. Y value you need to change it. Okay. Please do it. Change your Y value. Y value becomes 320. Please reduce the value to 300 until y value reach 320. How much is your x? So how many months? 320.
Is it like 4.5?
4.5. You got it. Let me see mine. I got 4.47. So 4.45. Okay. 4.45.
How do I zoom in?
It will be like this. Just adjust your window, minimize the numbers, so it will be like this. So 4.45. Okay. Got it? It will be like this. Okay.
The answer is 4.45.
4.45. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. That's the exact answer.
Wait, what? 4.45.
Yeah, 4.45. That's correct. Everybody got the same? There is also another question. After this, right?
It's time.
The last one, last question. The last question. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Come on. The last one. Be
There's
ready?
actually no space on mine.
This is,
Me too.
this one is a logarithmic function. Okay?
Teacher,
Logarithmic
there's no
function.
room on my paper. Let's take a break. Are we even lost?
Just show me the response in your calculator. Okay? So m of e, the function is given m of e. We know the logarithm of function. So just do the same procedure. Minus 3.2. Draw the graph. Just you need to draw it.
Wait, what does E mean?
Is the energy. I will mention here, okay? E is energy,
Transition.
okay? And M is the magnitude of the earth cube. Magnitude. Okay, so draw the graph. The minimum x and e and the value, the value is given. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is e and the magnitude of m until 20. Sorry, 10. 0 to 10. Okay, you need to plot the graph. And B is find magnitude of the earthquake. Earthquake when it releases energy. E equals 6.3 times 10 to the power 30. Okay? And C, find E when M equals 9.5. The similar thing. Do you understand the similar thing? So how can you plot the graph? Do it now. Hmm? What did you say?
I don't know what it is.
Is this done? Have-
It's how we never have.
Show this video.
I don't know what it is.
You need to adjust the window.
How?
I give you how I changed my window last
I
time.
already did like maximum.
What is your x value?
3.
0 to
0 to 3, and then y is 0 to
0 to 3 and y is 0 to 10. Okay?
You guys already did that.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
do it. Oh, please, I don't.
Sure.
I can't even see the graph of this.
You can see, you can't see.
Which log do you use?
You need to use this one, this log.
What do I
Like,
write inside?
so it will be, what is the fraction thing? 2 over 3. Okay.
Sure.
E for x, yeah.
Teacher, don't leave. Please come back, come back, come back.
Yeah.
I can see.
I'm good. You're making me up. I'm good.
Yeah, of what? Okay, no.
Minus is correct.
Always, yeah. And minus e equals 3.
Oh, okay.
It's if it's
Yeah, that's it.
3.
The difference is really easy. You don't have to actually count.
If not come 3.2. Okay. If the graph is going to come it's drawing maybe, it's coming, it's not processing.
Are you saying series mode?
Anyone got it?
It's a straight line calculator.
Sure, it's a straight line. Straight line, right? Okay. So, if you put your E equal to 6.3, how much you got it? X value 6.3. Can you change it? 6.3. Can you change E to 6.3? Whatever those who got the graph, please change X equal to 6.3.
It's going up slowly.
Why is
Yeah. It should be like this. Yeah.
Very small.
Can you trace this one? X equal to 6.3 because your E is they given 6.3, right? So can you squat again?
I got 6.36.
6.3 for X. So what is your
Negative 2.6.
negative 2.6? Okay, around, right? Okay. X1 is 6.3. Yeah, you are correct. Why is negative? It's E value, don't substitute. Just put X value.
You tell me to change. It's for A. I mean, it's for B. I mean, it's for I don't know.
No.
Whatever. Teacher,
This one.
Teacher, can you explain this next class? You tell me to change.
Okay, I will continue this one. Just delete this one. Why is it like that? I don't remember.
Change.
Yeah.
You tell me to change.
You know, log X, it should be like this. Yeah. And then, yeah.
Sure, everything is no longer locked in.
I use someone here.
Yeah. Sure, everything is
I don't remember.
Teacher.
Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. So it's supposed to be, yeah, 1 minute. You need to pray. It is negative, right? Yeah. The graph will be the same thing. Yes, she's correct. Because
I think you're
here we need to separate 3.2. That's why.
I've never had to like search it for anything in my life.
And you need to find place
My
value.
my cousin. Kind of like your maximum. Yeah.
So we will continue this one next class. Okay? Thank you. Thank you all.
And your minimum is like lower than the
Oh!